In the die casting process, the reusable steel dies, or molds, are preheated and coated with a dye release agent to lubricate and protect the surfaces of the dies before each use. Next, pre-measured amounts of molten metal are injected into the dies at extremely high pressures. The newly formed part is then removed from the dies, and the cycle is repeated after the die cools. The dies must be stronger than those used in the permanent mold process to withstand the high-pressure injections. These dies can be engineered to produce complex shapes with a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. Dies can be used many thousands of times, so the die casting process is used when very large quantities are needed. Die cast parts can be sharply defined, with smooth or textured surfaces, and are suitable for a wide variety of finishes. This high-pressure process produces a dense, fine-grained surface structure with a wide range of physical and mechanical properties, such as fatigue strength. As with the other casting processes, choosing the alloys to be used for this process depends on their physical and mechanical properties. The ones that are often used for die casting are zinc, aluminum, magnesium, and brass alloys.